I can find the condition differences among if else and nested if else in this programs. Usually I'm taking N1, N2, N3 as my inputs, and later when I'm trying to scan these values, I'll take under if condition two conditions. So unless and until these two conditions are satisfying, this value will not output. So N1 is greater than N2, then it should be also greater than N3, then the output will be displayed. In the similar case, if else also will be considered, where under single condition I will be having double conditions and I will not be able to have any condition for else statement, but then too it will be executing. Then I will come for nested if else statement, where under that also I will be having two conditions, but the else statement can be neglected of its use. Similar to how I am doing for if else, I will be able to neglect the else condition. Now I am going to execute this program. Let me take build, run this program. I'll input the values as 3, 4 and 7. The largest value will be displayed as 7 unless the condition will be satisfied. When the double conditions under a single if will be satisfied, then I will be able to get my output. Then similarly, if else statement I am giving 4, 7, then also 9. The output here also I will be getting like the highest. Here also similar case, under a single condition I am having two conditions and the two conditions are interrelated and they will try to give me the answer. Similar for nested if else, let me give some inputs and I'm getting an answer for this also, and this answer will give me how big it is. Here also I'm getting different values only, but here also under if statement I'm having two conditions, but the else statement can be considered as an other one. My next program is regarding how to check a vowel and a consonant when I'm given a set of alphabets to me. So this kind of idea I am going to apply with switch case statements. In the program given to me, I have my inputted characters where I mean it as CH. These characters will be from A up to Z. It will be a capital or it can be a small letter. So to scan the vowels and to differentiate it from the consonants, I am using a switch case conditions where I am loading all the vowels inside the switch case statement, and when the user inputs a vowel, automatically it will show that it is a vowel. Other case I am showing that if all these vowels are not entered, then it should show as a consonant. That also will be shown. Now let us see all these things in a program practically. So here I am giving a vowel as input. I'll get it as vowel. Similarly, let me try it for a consonant. I'm giving consonant R, then I will be getting it as a consonant. Execute. Next operation I'm going to perform is like adding, subtracting, multiplying and dividing different values. So to the inputted values given by the user, I am going to perform the following operations and I am going to give the output. So how will computer will be able to do all these things? It is only using the switch case conditions. Now I am having a given set of operations to be performed. So initially when I am given all these inputted values like A, B, result, all these things, I need to use all these values and I need to bring the operation. So how will I be able to do all these things? So the core logic is that everyone knows that addition means it is a plus b. So how will I be able to relate this a plus b with the computer knowledge? So to relate this, I am using the switch case statement, but actually to relate this to addition I am not using. To handle all these operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all these things together as a single thing, I am using the switch case condition. That is the purpose of switch case condition I am using. But rather than addition means everybody knows that it's plus, then minus means this, minus, like that it will be giving the output to me. But I'm using float that I should get that in point, especially for division, I should get my solution should be in point. So I'm getting it like points. Then even while conditions, why I'm using means after that all I'm executing 1, 2, 3, that is after addition, subtraction, all my operations. If I need to neglect my solution, or like if I wanted to continue my operations after this addition, I wanted to continue means it's okay. Means it's okay. But if I wanted to neglect means there's needed an operation, that is actually this one. Now I'm going to show how could I use if condition. I'm going to show how the switch case statement can be associated by running the program. So in the program, initially it is asking me the choice. Let me give for addition. Let me try out. I'm giving all these inputted values. So when I'm getting I'm giving the inputs, I'm getting such a solution. Actually, this point value will be given only because of the float data type I'm giving. So it's very helpful. Then other than that, if I wanted to again continue, let me give 3 and my operation will continue. This time I have performed the multiplication. Similarly, if I wanted to do I need to give different, but this time I am doing again multiplication. I am getting this. Let me go for addition this time. So that time I can even try different numbers.